Okay, welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. As you can see, at the moment, the Giulia Super has had the 1750 Series 2 motor and the gearbox taken out of it, and we've dropped it out. We know that it runs. It's a little bit rattly. Gearbox is not too bad, but what we are doing is we've bought a 1600 correct series motor and gearbox for the Project Coupe, and what we want to do is clean it up, which we're doing at the moment. Just degreased it, pressure washed it, and we're going to look at dropping that into the Giulia. Use the Giulia as a mule and see how this engine goes. The reason we bought this, and I'm not sure if you can see written on the tappet cover, when it was tested in January 2019, we had 75 foot-pound of pressure for oil, and each cylinder had 155 psi, and it's a good compression, but it's an unknown engine to us. We haven't had it run. Turns nicely. Gearbox is unknown to us. But what we want to do is take this engine. Once it dries off, we'll start to put the set of 40s, the Weber carburetors and a starter motor and the distributor and all the pieces that we know work from the 1750 motor onto it. And then we're going to drop this back into the Super. Use it as a mule, get to understand what condition that engine's in, if it needs any further work. If not, that'd be great. We'll pull it back out. By that stage we would have tidied up the 1750 motor, and over the next 6 months the coupe shell is being moved in the shed. It's going to start getting some body work done on it and some prep, and by that stage we will have done a range of mechanical things refurbished. Sitting at the back here, very hard to see, but there's the differential that we've already tested. It's in good condition, and up on top of our shelves we've got, you can see up the top there, we've got a lot of parts already that have been done. We still need to do some of the trim, but coupe is starting to progress, so a bit of a long way round. Pull an engine out, put an engine in, test it, pull it back out again, and in preparation for putting back into that coupe there. So you can see, just as a reminder for those of you who haven't dialed into this channel before, this is our shell. Still got to do some prep in there. Finish up some of the welding and body work that we did in there, tidy up this nose section, clean up the inside, and then we should start putting it back together, which will be really nice. But this is probably another 6 months work here for us, probably towards the end of this year. So there you go, that's the 1750 Series 2 motor that came out of the Giulia Super. Nice little engine actually, very revvy. Love it. Thanks for watching.